This was a classic. Welcome back, and this is how you can export video from FL Studio to post on YouTube. So first thing first, you go and get your Zgame. This is a stock plugin. It comes with the file. This one, Zgame visualizer, and next thing, you go here, add content, then select. You can select picture or videos, but let me go for pictures right now. Pictures, then select your picture, the picture you want to add to your beat or your song. For me, there are a couple here. It's this one. Yeah, it's that one. Then after that, we go back to main. Then in this box, let me show you. Here, where in this box where it shows none, select, then it will bring you something like this. But if it's first time you're opening this plugin, you'll have something like this. So if you open it, you'll have something like this. Yeah. So you go to image effects, but instead of going through that process, you can just select, then instead of using the tree, you select simple, then everything will appear like this. You select this image here, then there is another box, these three boxes here. The second one, this one, none. You left click, then select your picture, then already you got your picture here on the screen. Then the second thing I add always is Yulin audio shake. This one, I set this one to around 7%. Then we get something like this. Sorry, my CPU can't allow me to show you, but that's all. There's this other effect you can add. It's called linear. You see here, linear. This one. Then you can adjust it the way you want. Now you can customize it the way you want. Size, move it up or down like that. You can just customize it the way you want. That is called linear, but me, I don't use it. So let's say you are done, you want to export, just go to export video. You select where you want to export it, the folder you want it to export to. Yeah, let's assume there. Then you just press OK. Then it will come. Make sure it's on wave to get the quality of your song. Make sure it's on wave and leave the settings like they are, and then just start, and it will export. Or else, if you don't want to go through that, or you don't want to open if you don't want to go through all that, then you can go to files, export as normal. Then instead of this wave, mp3, those one, just come down here to video file, select, then it will get you. For this I have to remove one. Yeah, I have to remove one. Files, export, video file. Then it will get, you will see this window. You choose your location, already chose. Then just the same process. Okay, yes, then start. That's all. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing for more